Hello everyone. Question is, how can a developer introduce new screen behavior in a checkout flow state? Option A, modify the property mappings in checkout steps.xml. Option B, edit the default subflow directly. Option C, adjust new state in previous subflow configuration. Option D, clone the appropriate subflow and replace the lightning wave components in it. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which two events settings are required for a custom event called custom event to fire from the lightning wave component and propagate up to the DOM? Option A, bubbles, true. Option B, composed, true. Option C, cancelable, true. Option D, composed, false. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is, which two guidelines should a developer consider when migrating Aura components to LWC? Option A, migrate one component and then determine whether additional effort would make sense. Option B, start with migrating trees of components, that is components within components. Option C, force all developers to write any new components using Lightning Wave components. Option D, start with simple components that only render UI. Correct answer is option A and option D. Question is, which write adapter should a developer use to retrieve metadata about a specific object? Option A, get object metadata. Option B, get object info. Option C, get object. Option D, get object describe. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a developer is creating a component to implement a custom terms and conditions checkbox at checkout in the Aura Commerce template. Which methods should the developer implement on the Lightning Wave component to ensure the user accepts the terms and conditions? Option A, component validity. Option B, validate. Option C, save checkout. Option D, check validity. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, what are two advantages of using Lightning Data Service? Option A, communicates with other components. Option B, converts between different data formats. Option C, combines and deduplicates server calls. Option D, load records data progressively. Correct answer is option C and option D. Question is, which three actions must a developer take in B2B commerce store to accept credit card payments using a client's chosen payment provider? Option A, create a named credential for authentication with the payment provider. Option B, create a registered external service record for the custom payment provider class. Option C, create an Apex class that implements the SFDC underscore checkout dot payment gateway adapter. Option D, create a payment provider gateway record for the custom payment provider class. Option E, create an Apex class that implements the commerce payments dot payment gateway adapter. Correct answer is option A, C and option E. Question is, Universal Containers UC is ready to build a tax provider class using the interfaces available in the buyer. Experience SDK. When creating a tax provider, what are three things that a developer should consider first? Option A, steps to complete in the tax service. Option B, how to handle results. Option C, whether to use JSON or XML. Option D. What to implement. Option E. What events to fire in the lightning wave component. Correct answer is option A, B and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.